is Nikki Asne from Ford Global City. Today, I will show you the top reasons why you should own a brand new Ford Territory. This is the 2022 Ford Territory Titanium Plus 1.5-liter EcoBoost CVT automatic. It has a 143 horsepower with 225 Newton-meter torque. This is 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, which is known for fuel efficiency. The Ford Territory comes with a 360-degree high-definition camera where you can closely monitor the surroundings when driving. It also has 18-inch alloy wheels, which will give you a distinct character on the road. You can never go wrong with a panoramic moonroof and with a 10-inch infotainment system of the Ford Territory. Bring home a brand new Ford Territory for only $182,000 all-in down payment and get a free Diamond Bright ceramic coating, a vehicle window film, and a Rancho Bernardo raffle ticket. Only here at Ford Autohub.